Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation here, which is 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x. This is equal to 999. So what is the value of x here, given that x is not equal to 0? So let's provide a solution here. So we find that 9 to the power of x is common here. So we can factor out 9 to the power of x, so that into the parentheses, 9 to the power of x divided by 9 to the power of x, we have 1, plus 9 to the power of x divided by 9 to the power of x, this is 1, and then 9 to the power of x divided by 9 to the power of x, this is 1, and this is equal to 999. So here we have 9 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, and this is equal to 999. So let's divide both sides by 3, so that now 9 to the power of x, this is equal to 999 divided by 3, and this is equal to 333. So this is 333. To solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides, so that we have log 9 to the power of x, this is equal to log 333. So you find that log 9 to the power of x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then log 9 to the power of x becomes x log 9. This is equal to log 333. So let's divide both sides by log 9, here by log 9. So let's simplify here, and this implies that x is equal to, this is log 333 divided by log 9. So log 333, we can express 333. This is the same thing as 3 times 111. So let's substitute this, so that we have x is equal to, this is log 3 times 111 divided by log 9. Now we have x equal to log 3 times 111, and this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now applying this logarithm property, then we have that x is equal to, this is log 3 divided by log 9, then plus, this is log 111 divided by log 9. So we can express 9, this is the same thing as 3 to the power of 2. So let's substitute this, so that x is equal to log 3 divided by log 3 to the power of 2, then plus, here we have log 111 divided by log 9, which is 3 to the power of 2. Now, let's apply the power rule property here, that is log a to the power of n, this is equal to n log a. Then you find that x is equal to log 3. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then here we have log 3 divided by log 3 to the power of 2, which becomes 2 log 3. Then plus, here we have log 111 over log 3 to the power of 2. Now here we simplify log 3 and log 3, so that now x is the same thing as, this is half, plus this is log 111 over log 3 to the power of 2, this is 2 log 3. The next step is, we can express 111, this is the same thing as that 7 times 3. So we have x equal to half, plus this is the same thing as half, this is log that 7 times 3 divided by log 3. So log 37 times 3, this is in the form of log A times B, which we can express as log A plus log B. So that now x here is equal to half, then plus half. Now this is log 37 over log 3, then plus half. This is log 3 divided by log 3. Let's simplify log 3 and log 3 here, so that now we have that here this is a half plus a half, this is equal to 1, then plus here half, this is log 37 over log 3. You find that log 37 over log 3, this is in the form of log A divided by log B, which we can express as log A to base B. So let's apply this logarithm property, so that now applying this logarithm property, we have x is equal to 1 plus half. This is log 37 to base 3. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. The next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x. This should give us a value of 999. So we find that 9 to the power of x is common here, so we can factor out 9 to the power of x. So this implies that 9 to the power of x into the parentheses, this is 1 plus 1, then plus 1. This is equal to 999. Now we have 9 to the power of x multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 999. So let's substitute the value of x. Remember, we have 9 to the power of x times 3. This should give us a value of 999. So let's substitute the value of x, so that we have 9 to the power of 1 plus half. This is log 37 to base 3. This should give us a value of 999. Now, from here, we find that 9 to the power of 1 plus a half log 37 to base 3. Remember, this is multiplied by 3. This part is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which can be expressed as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 9 to the power of 1 times 9 to the power of half log 37 to base 3. Everything here multiplied by 3. This should give us a value of 999. So the next step from here, we find that we can express 9 as 3 to the power of 2. So this implies that here we have 9 times, now here we have 3 to the power of 2 times half. This is log 37 to base 3. Then everything here multiplied by 3. This should give us a value of 999. So let's simplify 2 and 2 here, so that we have 9 times 3 to the power of log 37 to base 3 multiplied by 3 here. This is supposed to give us a value of 999. So 3 to the power of log 37 to base 3. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a. This should give us a value of b. So let's apply this property, so that 3 to the power of log 37 to base 3, this is equal to 37. So this implies that here we have 9 multiplied by 37 multiplied by 3. this should give us a value of 999. So that's 7 times 9. This is equal to 333 times 3 now. This should give us a value of 999. 333 times 3, this is equal to 999, which is equal to 999. And this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is 1 plus a half, that's 7 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Kindly like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.